So just taking a look at VECHAIN, then you can see quite cleanly on the charts. Taking a very quick look at the price action today, you can see basically we came down, got that perfect back test of the fib level, didn't we? We've obviously come back up into this area of resistance here, getting a little bit of a rejection today in this area with Bitcoin looking a little bit toppy recently. Got to that swing high of around, was it 48, 49k? And then got rejected back down, obviously with the ETFs being approved and they are now trading. We're probably going to see quite a lot of volatility in the markets in general, in my opinion, and we could potentially see some more downside, dragging altcoins to the downside. But overall, VECHAIN looking very nice with that sweep of that low, and then basically coming up, breaking, back testing this area of resistance here. We're reaching a crunch time for VECHAIN in this area here, where there's a lot of resistances. You can see here fib level resistances, bear market resistance, and that previous bull market support resistance as well, all converging in this area here. So I do think if we come up into this area, start to test, and basically we need to see what's going to happen next with it. I think if we could see ourselves getting above anywhere at around that 4 cent level here, getting above that bear market resistance and starting to work up through the Fibonacci levels, we're probably going to see ourselves doing very well for VECHAIN going forward. But right now, as you can see, we are still just essentially working our way very slowly to the upside, with, you know, the altcoins slowly getting a bit of relief off those lows that we saw after Bitcoin, you know, has finally had a very nice move to the upside during this bear market, and now we've seen altcoins start to follow suit, just getting out of that consolidation. But really, we've not seen anything yet, obviously, for the vast majority of the market. But right now, we're just starting to see the beginnings, you would say, of the new bull market for VECHAIN. In my opinion, we're probably going to see not that many lower prices than what we're currently at, unless we see something catastrophic in the market. In my opinion, we'll probably just start working our way up through the Fibonacci levels, as we often do in bull markets. In my opinion, we're probably going to see ourselves having a very nice push to the upside going forward. Overall, things are looking totally fine, in my opinion. Right now, we really just need to see VECHAIN continue to doing what it's doing, not having any catastrophic failures of its own. And basically, we are just waiting for that halving in April now to see some higher prices for a lot of cryptos, aren't we? But overall, nothing to be concerned about. Just doing everything that it needs to do right now. And we are just sitting at that resistance again at the top of the range, aren't we? Overall, I think things are going to be totally fine. Once we get up to that bear market resistance and test it, we're going to start seeing some more higher prices for VECHAIN going through this year into the basically that really tasty bull market everyone's been waiting for. So